Number 2, sliding fingers, page 12 in the I Used to Play Violin book series by Gazda and Clark. Now, number 2, sliding fingers, you're going to have first finger and second finger doing some moving around. So I want to point this out to you. If you are a person who is holding here and you also clasp, okay, and you hold right there just to provide some stability for your hand, well, that's going to prohibit you from playing and moving your fingers around accurately. So now I want you just to try to take and release this part of your hand with your thumb. Just flex your thumb a little bit and move your hand away from the neck. Okay, and then moving these fingers is going to be much more easy. Okay, all right, but it's going to feel insecure for a little while. All right, number 2,